Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. I know, I just had spaghetti a few days ago, but this time it's with Alfredo sauce. Usually I do put hamburger in this too. I know that other people call it something else, but I growing up with hamburger and our Alfredo and stuff, and spaghetti noodles too. We just called it Alfredo, and that's just what we ate, and it's delicious. But I didn't really feel like defrosting any hamburger today to drink Bud Light. It's like 5:30 here p.m. and this is my first meal. I guess I should do that. My daughter's taking another nap and my husband is gone for a little while to get his hair cut, and we also had parent-teacher conferences today, so I don't know, still no lobster. I seriously, that flipped really far. I was seriously so tempted on just chopping up the lobster and putting it in here, but I still would have needed my lemon, and I don't have any lemon right now. It's just been so busy today that I haven't gotten to the store yet. I had to like rush to even get put gas in my car so I could even make it to my son's parent-teacher conference. But anyways, I know that you probably can't see it very well, but it'll be good. It sounded really good, so, and it's easy to make. And I like spaghetti noodles better than I like fettuccine noodles. I don't know why, but let's dig in. Do you guys want the first bite? So good. And I've been starving. I haven't eaten all day. I don't know if you guys have ever tried the Sauce Queen's Alfredo. I tried it once and it's actually like super delicious. This is just from the jar. And yes, my hair is up and kind of crazy because I'm sure a lot of moms will understand, but getting time in to shower is really hard, and I need to shower. Spaghetti, like my last, not the last video, but the one before that where I tried the cricket. The noodles weren't as quite as done as they should be. I did pretty good this time. It's really hard for me to like test them out because of my braces. I can't actually like feel it for some reason. I don't know why. Anyways, I know that this is kind of a late mukbang for me. Usually I try getting it done well I mean, technically, I have the same amount of kids in the house right now as I do when I record, so. But usually I try doing it sooner. Today I just wasn't feeling it, at least earlier today. Elliot, what? Okay. I don't think he actually finished his food, but I'll have to check here when I'm done. I can still hear him. Elliot. You better not be in my room. Elliot. My last video, I went out there and he had snuck a donut. I can only imagine what I'm going to walk out to. It's just really hard to do videos with everybody in the house. And so I try doing it when, well, not only that, but when my husband's home. He really likes it when I can eat with him. But oh, felt great. There you go. It's the beer. Plus I took 2 shots before I came in here, and I chugged the rest of my beer so that I could open that beer for you. I have some stuff to show you guys when I'm done. Let me just tell you, I still love the book fair. And lately, like, most of the time I don't have the money to actually get anything, but I let Elliot choose 2 things, and I picked 2 things, because sometimes they have things that even I like. Trying to listen to see if he's getting into my candy. Already feel another burp, guys. Sorry. This amount was perfect. I still feel hungry, but I already know it's going to hit my stomach and then go bleh. And then I'm going to be like, yeah, I'm glad I didn't eat more than that, because then I'd be in absolute pain. Ugh. You know what? I should just call this mukbang the burping video. Mm-hmm. I guess this is, never mind. There will be a small bite after this bite. And I'm only at 11 minutes. Jeez. Oh. Couldn't tell if I had something still on my face or not. But, okay, so we went to the book fair. Of course, my son, he loves, sorry, I made a huge mess up here, so, he likes Paw Patrol and PJ Masks. So, he picked a PJ Masks book and a Paw Patrol thing where you put all the little, you glue the fuzz balls together to make the dog characters. But for me, I love like crystals and stuff like that, and that's why I always get so excited about like the book fair, because so the first thing, got this gemstones, and I don't know if you guys know, but I am Wiccan, and so a lot of these, in fact probably all of them, I could use for like my tarot readings and stuff. There's amethyst, there's rose quartz. I probably can't say all of these like how they're supposed to be, but I mean there's turquoise, red jasper, lemon jade, sunstone, blue aventurine. I don't know if that's how you say it. But I was super excited when I saw this, and it was only $8. But this one I got for me and our 7-year-old because he loves them too. He loves gems, crystals, whatever. Basically, I mean, it's hidden gems. It did come with a book, but I let him go off and read it. It was right here. And then it comes with, trying to think of what you call this. Dig into. I mean, it's just a block, basically. It comes with a chipper, a brush, and a hammer. And you just chip at this, and there's going to be 5 real gems inside. And I'm super excited to do that with him. I'm not excited about doing the Paw Patrol dogs because I feel like I'm going to, like, F up. I'm not really a huge, I don't do good with crafts. So, yeah. I have a hard time focusing on them. I get bored. Sounds like my daughter's awake. So, this is going to be a very short mukbang. But I was super excited to show you guys these. But since she's awake, I should go. And I will see you guys in the next video. I promise. I'm trying to think about tomorrow. I probably won't even be able to do the lobster tail. I seriously cannot eat seafood without lemon. I don't know why, but that's just how I am. I'm probably not going to be able to do the lobster tail now that I'm thinking about it. My husband's going to be gone tomorrow, and I really don't want to take all of the kids to the store. Like, I can't. It is seriously, like, one of the hardest things to do is take them all into the store. It just gives me anxiety, and I'm overwhelmed basically the whole time. So, I don't know if I'll be able to do the lobster tail. I don't know. I'll try to figure it out. Elliot has school tomorrow. Archer has school tomorrow. I can probably do it as long as it's not snowing. I don't like driving in the snow either. But anyways, you guys don't care about that. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, my WillowBBs. Lots of love. Have a good night.